Love, pauwi na ako. Ito nangyari sa araw ko. Pero okay lang. Happy naman ako kasi mansari natin.
Ganun ba, love? Sige, game na kami.
Ay, sige, punta na lang pala ako sa inyo dyan. I love you.
Hoy, te, seryoso ka ba? Mansari date niyo, tas ganyan yung pagmumukha mo? O ito gamitin mo, Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint. Tingnan lang natin kung makahagard ka pa dyan.
So stressed with all the tests, the schoolwork just ain't giving. Gotta look bright and fresh. Back to school haggard season. Beanie, let's go. Maybelline F-I-T.
Lakado. Pak, version cut.
Grabe, ito lang pala yung secret sa flawless base.
Correct.
For sure, masusurprise
Di ba
si
boyfriend
Lovey.
mo yan?
Ha?
Oh my God. Nice game, baby.
Precious is not what you think.
Sino yun?
Precious!
Maybe he's not the one. Maybe he's not fit for you. Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint.
Freshness for everyone. Makeup and skincare in one.
Go get your